In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a Microsoft Teams meeting automatically every time you receive an invite link. Whether you're someone who attends a lot of online classes or meetings, or you simply want to make the whole joining process faster and more convenient, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Microsoft Teams app and go to your Settings menu. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Calendar or Meetings, depending on your version of Teams. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the option that says Auto Join or Turn on Meeting Joining Options. You'll see several features that help you control how Teams behaves when a meeting starts. These include options like automatically opening the meeting window, joining with audio on, or joining with your camera off by default. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account, keep notifications enabled so you don't miss meeting alerts, and double-check that your calendar is synced properly. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, go ahead and open your email or calendar app. When you tap on any Teams meeting invite, Teams will automatically take you into the meeting setup screen. After that, you should be able to join your meetings instantly without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to check your microphone and camera permissions once. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your communication clear. And if you want to make things even easier, try enabling the setting that opens Teams automatically when your device starts. That way, you won't have to search for the app every time it'll be ready for you. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to join Microsoft Teams meetings automatically, quickly, and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?